Today we talk about tfvars files, not as configuration shortcuts, but as value surfaces. This lesson is about how requirements are satisfied before Terraform can reason. When Terraform builds its graph, it asks a quiet question: how is this name satisfied? Not what the value is, not what it does, but what source populates this requirement. tfvars answers that question without shaping the graph itself. A variable declaration defines expectation, type, constraints, optional defaults, but no value is required yet. At this moment, Terraform knows shape, but not substance. tfvars do not change shape, they only satisfy it. Terraform sees a named requirement. It knows the expected type. It knows nothing else. No identity flows yet. No dependencies yet. This variable is incomplete, but valid. tfvars files live outside the graph. They are not logic. They are not structure. They are external value bindings. This separation is intentional. It protects the graph from environmental noise. This is not Terraform logic. It declares no resources. It creates no dependencies. It simply satisfies a name. Terraform already recognized. Terraform reads tfvars before graph construction, but after variable declarations exist. This timing matters. Values must be known before identity can flow into resources. tfvars participate in reasoning, but never in structure. Terraform binds the variable value into the resource identity. The resource depends on the variable, not on the tfvars files. Once bound, the tfvar file disappears from the graph. tfvars do not create edges in the dependency graph. They cannot depend on resources. Resources cannot depend on them. They are inputs only, one direction, no feedback. This is a safety boundary. tfvars are powerful because they are quiet. A wrong value does not break the graph. It changes meaning without changing structure. For example, changing a count value or an image identifier. The graph looks identical. The result is entirely different. Terraform stays consistent, but it cannot judge intent. tfvars do not contain logic. They do not express conditions. They do not evaluate decisions. They may satisfy Boolean names, but they never decide behavior. Logic lives in the graph. Values only flow into it. Think of tfvars as value overlays. They sit above the graph. They never touch the wiring. Structure stays pure. Values remain flexible. This separation is the design. In a future lesson, we will compare TFVars with environment variables and COI inputs. Different surfaces, same variable system.